All right, here we go. Okay, if you should be able to hear a plane in the background, a train in the background. What we're doing right now is sound desensitization. This, we just went through a plane. There are 25 different sounds on this CD that I like to use by Dean Lake. It is called Puppy Sounds. It has trains, planes, and automobiles. Hopefully no Steve Martin, right? No, it has dogs barking, like stressed dogs barking, fireworks, thunderstorms, a lot of the sounds that normally completely freak out puppies and dogs and whatever. So I have this, I play it at night. I play it whenever mom's in there with them so that they associate this with safe when they eat. So here in a minute, Jewel's going to say, okay, that's enough. And she's going to ask me to let her out. Let's see what the next one's going to be. Yep, there we got airplane. Hopefully you can hear that. I want to get another one in here. We got gunshots in here too. A very sick sheep. There's your stressed out dog. But as you can see, this isn't really affecting them. They're okay with these sounds. Mom's hanging out with them, and they look, but they just don't, they're not bothered by it because mom's there. And after about a week of this, I actually play this when they're sleeping at night, and it puts them to sleep. Now this one they don't like. None of my dogs like these, even the adults. And they'll bark at it, but they don't freak out. And once they bark, Carson, that's enough. He says, I gotta protect my babies. Uncle Cosmo over there. But this is the fireworks, and this really helps as far as desensitizing them. So you don't have to wear those thunder jackets and things like that. Let's see what the next one is. Thunderstorm. Anyway, there's 25 different sounds on here, and our least favorite among everybody is the sick sheep. Thunderstorms are my favorite, so I actually really like this part of the CD. So, anyway, Mom's looking for some extra food kibble around. So, okay. Hopefully you like this.